welcome back to my channel. So just arrived in Miami. I'm back to go with Sarah. So staying here for one night, and tomorrow we're going on a cruise to the Caribbean. So it's going to be so exciting. The weather here is so nice. People here tanning. Super nice day.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Second day in Miami. Today we're here in Wynwood Street Art. All the graffiti around the neighborhood. It's everywhere. Guess what we found? It's a little giant egg in between buildings. Super cool. We have no idea what it's doing there. Some kind of art. So we've just arrived. It's a cruise terminal. This is our cruise for the next 8 days. Carnival Conquest. It's a massive ship. So it was a very smooth check-in of the luggage and the passport control, and now we're walking straight onto the ship. Just arrived on board. The first thing we see is music. Look at that art on the ceiling. Okay, so we're looking for our cabin. Just arrived, and we found our key just over here. We just left it here. Yeah, our little mailbox. So yeah, this is our room keys. It has our names on it. How cool is that? Yeah. Welcome to our cabin. Luggage mat. Little nice TV there. And there's like jacuzzis here inside. Massive screen, more pools. It's pretty awesome. They also have a basketball court here. It's pretty awesome. Our first destination. This is St. Maarten. See our ship there at the back. So we're going to try and explore the island today. Such a beautiful day. Very sunny. So we're trying to get to Maho Beach, and to get to Maho Beach we need to get a ticket first. It's a bit chaotic because it's like people everywhere, and you have to find the right stand to get your little ticket for the band, and then you have to come over to this side to catch a bus. So it's $16 return trip to Maho. So that's the flight times for the major airlines coming in, arrivals. Beach is right here, and the plane is gonna come right to the airport over there. Southern race change. And all of a sudden it's sunny again. Look at the weather. Clear blue sky, turquoise water. Water is so nice. Look at that. I think that's Air France coming in.
Man, that's a big plane. That's the same size. Except for good.
So we're now going to do a bit of an excursion, going on a sea helmet trek. So we just did the sea helmet red dive. That's so cool. So this thing alone weighs 75 pounds, but in the water is 15 pounds, so it's really heavy. Another day on the Caribbean cruise, and today we have stopped in St. Kitts. So we have booked ourselves a excursion. We're going to go on a 4x4 safari tour through the rainforest and go into the beach later. And it's a very nice day again today. Right, so this is 4x4 safari we're going to get on now.
Caribbean, we use the green papaya as a meat tenderizer.
Cooking soul pain.
Just arrived in San Juan in Puerto Rico. So a really short layover here. It's like 6 hours. So we're just gonna walk around, have a look at the old San Juan and the fortress. It's another lovely day here today. These colorful houses, so beautiful. Reminds me a bit like in Cuba. People here are super friendly. So we're now walking towards a fortress. It's actually not far from our port, but we've stopped along the way to take some nice pictures. There's some very nice colorful houses along the way. And here we are. So just discovered this little place with the gelatos, and they have like sugar-free ice creams. So we're gonna try them out. I've got the papaya, Sarah's got the mango one. And it's all like locally produced here. So we have arrived in on to our last destination. This is Grand Turks. And look where the beaches are, just right off from here. That's our boat.